Pair and triple are built-in data classes in the Kotlin Standard Library. They provide a simple way to hold 2 or 3 values together without creating a custom class. Think of them as lightweight containers for grouping related data temporarily. Pair is a data class that holds exactly 2 values of any type. These values can be of the same type or different types. Triple works the same way, but holds exactly 3 values instead of 2. Both are generic classes, meaning they can store any combination of types you need. There are 2 common ways to create a pair. The first approach uses the pair constructor, passing 2 values as arguments. The second and more popular approach uses the infix to function, which creates a pair with cleaner syntax. You can mix any types you want, like pairing a number with a string or 2 strings together. Once you have a pair, you can access its values in 2 ways. First, you can use the first and second properties to retrieve each value individually. Second, you can use Destructuring declaration, which lets you extract both values into separate variables in a single line. Destructuring is especially useful when you want to work with both values immediately. Triple works similarly to pair but holds 3 values. You create it using the triple constructor with 3 arguments. To access the values, use the first, second, and third properties. Just like pair, triple also supports destructuring, allowing you to extract all 3 values into separate variables at once. Pair and triple are best suited for quick temporary grouping of values, returning multiple values from functions, and simple internal helper functions. However, avoid using them for public APIs where descriptive property names would improve readability. For complex domain models or long-term data storage, create proper data classes instead. This gives you meaningful property names and better code maintainability.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.